Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect phone to Fiat 500 step by step. Start by unlocking your phone and enabling Bluetooth, then power on the car and open the Uconnect or Bluetooth settings. Put the car into pairing mode, find the car name on your phone, and select it. Confirm the PIN if prompted, and allow permissions for contacts and media to finish setup and test audio and calls. Begin pairing by placing the Fiat 500 into accessory or run mode so the infotainment is active. On your phone, scan for available devices and look for the car name labeled Uconnect or Fiat. Tap to pair, then compare the PIN shown on both screens and accept on each device. Grant permissions for contacts and media, then test the connection by making a call or playing music to confirm success. Quick recommendation: if you prep snacks for road trips in your Fiat 500, try leak-proof containers to avoid spills and messes. They stack neatly in the glove box and keep salads fresh and coffee safe on bumpy roads. If you like what you hear, please subscribe and like this video to help the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, try simple fixes in order. Restart your phone and the Fiat 500 infotainment system, then retry pairing. If that fails, forget the car on your phone's Bluetooth list and remove the phone from the car's paired devices, then repeat the pairing steps. Check for software updates on both devices, move away from other Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi interference, and consult the owner's manual for model-specific tips today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.